Okay, so this is just a short video to show you how to set up a meeting with your group. Okay, so this is your team page. If you look on the left-hand side, click on calendar, and we're going to schedule a meeting. Now, I'm down to see my Year 10 physicists every Monday at 8:30, so I'm going to put that in. So click on New Meeting, top right-hand side here. Okay, we'll call this Year 10 Physics with Mr. Porter. Okay. Okay. Now, in terms of inviting everyone, you could list the kids separately where it says add attended inquiries. We can add a channel. So basically that's going to invite anybody in a particular group. So hopefully if I go down here, I should find my Year 10 Physics Third Aid, which is my Year 10 class. So if I click it on that and click on General, okay, that should invite them automatically if they've logged on to this, which they have, I think. Okay, add a location. Well, obviously it's going to be at home, so you can put in your home, okay, because that's where the meeting's going to take place. Now, mine is going to be every Tuesday, and the first one will be Monday the 13th at 8:30 a.m. It's going to be interesting to see whether any of you 10 can make it at 8:30. We'll see that, and it's going to be for an hour. Or at least I'm going to do it like that. Actually, no, we're going to say 45 minutes, aren't we? So let's do that for 9:15. It's a 45-minute workshop. Now, I'm going to repeat that weekly because I think we're probably going to be doing this for the next few weeks. So that's going to occur every Monday at 8:30. It's going to invite them to there. You can type the details of the meeting. So workshop with Mr. Porter, Mr. Porter, to discuss this week's work. Okay, I think that's it. So we've got our, okay, so instead of adding the attendees there, I've put it as a channel. Okay, so that's my group, Year 10 Physics Third Aid General. I think that's because you can have channels within the channels. And that's it. So I now press send, and that should send the invite to everybody that's joined that group. Let's just check. So if I go to next week, load in the calendar, it should hopefully be in there. Okay, can you see that there? Year 10 Physics with Mr. Porter. I think it's still making that. Okay, that's it.